Now what we're going to do is simply screw them together, and this process is very easy. We just need to screw holes through them, and then we have here some screws that we can use. So what we have to do is simply grab this, all right, make a screw to each column, and then screw these two parts together, and you use this uh, this thing, I don't know the name, and you put it in this side, and you do just like this. But you can use it without it. In the last wardrobe, the previous one, I didn't use any, just used these two screws, and it worked just fine. So yeah, let's do it. So for these, what you need is 4 sets of screws, and then you have to select the number 5 drill bit and a screwdriver, electric screwdriver. It's enough, like the one I'm using here. Just put it in the right setting, then screw the 2 columns together like so, and make sure to unscrew the electric screwdriver. Then just vacuum the area like you're seeing here and start using the screws. Use a female and a male side and put one on each side. And if you want, you can use the washers. I don't use them because I don't see the need for them, and I think that looks nicer without them. But yeah, then put your screwdriver in level 5 or 6, something like that, and just screw them. If you need, use another tool in the other side just to hold the female part, and that's it. Okay, so I just finished the columns. Okay, now is just one big wardrobe because I already screwed all the screws, and it's done. It's very big, it's wide, and it probably can fit all our clothes. And next I'm gonna do the drawers. So if you want to check it out, the drawers, click in the next video. And after the drawers, I'm gonna do the sliding doors as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see the next 2 parts of the video, make sure to click in those videos, and I'll see you in the next one.